Right then, so today's the big day for the little Clio anyway. We're going to see what happens. It's going in for mapping. Hopefully it comes out the other side. Good, plenty, powerful. We don't know though, I'm nervous. We're picking up Smithy Small on the way. He said he wanted to come along and basically watch it blow up. I'm hoping not, of course, but might be a bit more excitement if it blew up, especially for you lot. And yeah, he's about 45 minutes away from me, Chris. It's 9 in the morning now, and my session's at 11:30. We're going to head down there first and fit the injectors while I'm there. I've got the tools in the boot. Yeah, let's get on down there, float on down the motorway, let's crack on.
You're trying to get to the unlock button?
Get to the button. Close. Come on. Right then, I've done a really shit job of recording that, I'm sorry, shouldn't swear. But yeah, we're back home, well just round the corner, and it went a lot better than I thought. I had problems with the actuator. I set it up a bit wrong really, it's my own fault. I did it a bit weak, and to be honest could have done a better one, but it's done the job. Chris recommends leaving it, it's quite happy with it. We also, well, I'll blame him, but the key got locked in the car, so we had to fucking break into the car to get the key out on the rollers. But that's not a big issue, it's all done. And we made some decent power in the end, I'm happy. I didn't expect it. As soon as the actuator problems come in, I was like ahead when I was like, wasted journey. But in the end, we made 332.7 bhp, of course. And what did we make? 296 foot-pounds of torque. I'm happy with that. So yeah, Nick turned up, Nick JR, whatever it's called on now, he's changed his name a few times. He did a bit of recording, my mate Craig did a bit of recording, so I'll have a look what they've done. I haven't even looked at the camera yet, I was distracted, sorting the car out, burning my hands. So yeah, she's working. It's a happy day. So now, I get to play. That's it, that's all I can do. So thank you for watching this short little video, I'm guessing it's going to be, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.